Hi friends, welcome back to my channel on mathematical statistics and statistical softwares. In this video, I will show you how to import your data set from Excel or SPSS or SAS or Minitab like that. There are two ways there to import your data set. First, go to File menu, then go to Import Data Set. Then for example, I need from Excel, press on Excel, then browse the data or write a URL. I have from downloads. For example, I need airlines. You can import it. This is also this is one way. There is another way also there, that is, for example, my dataset name is MARI equal to, for example, I have CSV file, read dot CSV file, sorry, file dot choose. Then one pop-up will come. Then you can go to where your file is located. For example, I need crash browser node. Now my data is attached. Attach. This is my data set. Like this, you can import your data set. Thank you for watching.